Lipids, structure, function, and importance in the body. Lipids are a group of organic compounds which include fats, oils, waxes, and cholesterol. They are an essential component of living cells and play several important roles in the body. Structure of lipids. Lipids are made up of three main components: fatty acids, glycerol, and a various number of other components such as phosphates, sugars, or nitrogen. Fatty acids are the building blocks of lipids. They consist of a long hydrocarbon chain with a carboxyl group at one end. The length and number of double bonds in the hydrocarbon chain determine the type of fatty acid. Glycerol is a 3-carbon molecule with 3 hydroxyl groups. It is the backbone of fats and oils, where fatty acids are attached to each hydroxyl group of glycerol, forming triglycerides. Triglycerides are a major source of stored energy for the body. Waxes have a similar structure to fats, but they have a long-chain alcohol rather than glycerol at the center. The alcohol molecule can have a variety of different structures attached, which affects their chemical properties. Cholesterol is a steroid lipid. It consists of a hydrocarbon ring structure with a side chain attached. It is an essential component of cell membranes, and is used to make hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. Function of lipids. The primary function of lipids is energy storage. Triglycerides are stored in adipose tissue and are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol when needed. Fatty acids can be metabolized by the body to produce ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell. Lipids also have several important structural roles. They make up a large fraction of cell membranes and help to maintain their fluidity. Cholesterol in particular is important for the structural integrity and permeability of cell membranes. Lipids are also involved in the absorption of dietary fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. They form achelles with bile salts in the intestine, which increases the surface area for the absorption of these vitamins. Lipids have many important biological functions, including as signaling molecules. Eicosanoids are lipids that act as signaling molecules in the immune and inflammatory response. They are derived from arachidonic acid, which is found in cell membranes. Importance of lipids. A balanced intake of lipids is essential for good health. Some types of lipids, such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through the diet. These fatty acids are important for the proper functioning of the nervous system, and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. A diet high in saturated fat and trans fat has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Saturated fats are found in animal products such as meat and dairy, while trans fats are found in baked goods and processed foods. On the other hand, mono and polyunsaturated fats are considered to be healthy fats. They can help to lower cholesterol levels in the blood and reduce the risk of heart disease. These fats are found in plant-based foods such as nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. The importance of lipids in the body can be further emphasized by the effects of lipid disorders. Lipid disorders such as high cholesterol and triglycerides can lead to serious health complications such as heart disease and stroke. These disorders can be managed through lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise, and in some cases medication may be necessary. Furthermore, research has shown that certain lipid molecules, such as sphingolipids, play a vital role in cell communication and signaling pathways. Sphingolipids have been linked to various cellular processes, including cell growth, differentiation, and apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Moreover, lipids also play a significant role in maintaining skin health. The skin's outermost layer, the stratum corneum, is primarily composed of lipids, which act as a barrier to prevent water loss and protect against external irritants. Deficiencies in skin lipids can lead to dry, flaky skin and a compromised skin barrier, making it more susceptible to damage and infection. Additionally, lipids have been investigated as a potential source of alternative energy. Biofuels made from plant-based lipids, such as algae oil or vegetable oil, have the potential to be a more sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. Furthermore, lipids also play a role in the development and function of the brain and nervous system. Myelin, a fatty substance made up of lipids, coats and insulates nerve fibers, allowing for quick and efficient transmission of signals between cells. Deficiencies in certain lipids, such as sphingolipids, have been associated with neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and multiple sclerosis. Additionally, lipids have been found to play a role in regulating gene expression. Certain lipids, such as phospholipids, affect the structure and function of chromatin, the material that makes up chromosomes. This can impact the expression of genes and ultimately affect numerous biological processes. Moreover, the study of lipids has led to important medical advances. Lipid-lowering drugs, such as statins, are widely prescribed to manage high cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Newer drugs targeting specific types of lipids, such as PCSK9 inhibitors, have also been developed and may prove to be even more effective in managing lipid disorders. In addition, lipid nanoparticles have become an important tool in drug delivery. These nanoparticles can be used to encapsulate drugs and target specific tissues or cells, improving drug efficacy and reducing side effects. Furthermore, lipids are used extensively in the food industry, acting as emulsifiers, texture modifiers, and flavor enhancers. They are also used in the production of numerous household products, such as soaps, detergents, and cosmetics. It is also worth noting that lipids have been found to play a role in the immune system. Certain lipids, such as phosphatidylserine and sphingomyelin, act as signaling molecules to activate immune cells and promote inflammation. Other lipids, such as omega-3 fatty acids, have anti-inflammatory effects and may help to modulate the immune response. Moreover, lipids have been implicated in the development and progression of several diseases. For example, obesity is characterized by an overabundance of adipose tissue, which stores excess triglycerides. This can lead to lipid disorders such as high cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as an increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. In addition, lipids have been found to play a role in the development of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Abnormal lipid metabolism in the brain can lead to the accumulation of toxic proteins and oxidative damage, which can contribute to the pathogenesis of these diseases. Furthermore, lipids have been implicated in the development and progression of certain infectious diseases. Lipid metabolism is known to play a role in the replication and survival of several infectious agents, including HIV, hepatitis C, and the malaria parasite. Targeting lipid metabolism may therefore provide a new avenue for the development of antiviral and antiparasitic therapies. Moreover, lipids also play a critical role in reproductive health. Cholesterol is used to produce several hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone, which are necessary for normal reproductive function. In women, imbalances in lipid levels have been associated with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, a common hormonal disorder that can lead to infertility. In men, high levels of triglycerides have been linked to decreased sperm count and motility.